This tutorial will guide you through two methods for translating emails in Outlook. Method 1: Outlook's built-in translation tool. Outlook's built-in translation feature is available in versions 2016 and later. Open the email you want to translate in Outlook and select the text you wish to translate. Right-click to select Translate from the context menu. You can see the selected text has been translated in the context menu. If you want to translate the whole message, you can directly select Translate Message from the context menu. The translated text will replace the original text in the email. To revert to the original language, select Show Original. To change the target language, click Translation Preferences from the context menu. And then select the language you want from the drop-down list of Translate Messages into, then click OK. Method 2: Qtools for Outlook's AI Translation. For more advanced and natural translations, Qtools for Outlook's AI Translation is a powerful alternative. Install Qtools for Outlook and open Outlook. Open the email text you want to translate. Then click Qtools AI tab, click AI. Click the Translate tab. Select the text you want to translate. Then choose the target language and customize the translation style. Click the Generate button to translate the selection. If you want to translate the whole message, do not select any text and directly click Generate. 70+ tools and Qtools for Outlook are free for lifetime now. Go to the official website for downloading.